What's up, Lincoln Trotter? This is Mr. Way. We're back. It's Wednesday. It's Mr. Way's Math Facts. Like yesterday, we're going to continue with working with multiplication word problems. Yesterday, at the end, I gave you a word problem I wanted you to figure out. And we're going to start with that. And then we're going to go into a two-step or somewhat 2 to 3 step multiplication problems. We're going to go over that one today. I'm not going to give you an extra problem to figure out on your own. I want you to be able to watch this video over and over, listen to the question, see the steps that we take to solve the problem. Then tomorrow we'll do one, and then I'll give you one to answer, just to see if you could pick it up. And we'll go from there. We're going to go kind of slow with these. So you don't have to feel rushed, because we're not going to rush. We're kind of going to take our time with the multiple step multiplication word problems before we start into simple division, then go into multiple step division problems. So with that being said, yesterday's word problem for you to figure out was each house has 10 dogs. How many dogs are in 12 houses? So if each house has 10 dogs, how many dogs are in 12 houses? So I drew it up on my notebook as always, and we're going to take a look at it. If each house has 10 dogs, so one house equals 10 dogs. What we did is we drew, they want to know how many dogs are in 12 houses. So we drew 12 houses. You see, my houses are numbered 1 through 12. And you can do this one of 2 ways. You can multiply 10 times 12, and as you see, you come out with an answer of 120, or you can skip count through your 10 times tables: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 120. So you see, either way, you come out with an answer of 120. So when it says each house has 10 dogs, how many dogs are in 12 houses? Your answer would be 120. It comes out to 120 dogs in 10 houses. And, I know a few of you answered the question yesterday. Congratulations, you did get it correct. The answer was 120. I'm glad that y'all are taking the time to do the work and answer the questions in the comments. I appreciate that. And now we're going to go into a little bit more complicated word problem. I'm going to read the word problem to you first. Actually, I'm going to read it twice. And then we'll kind of break down the series of steps together. And it's about Marco's world famous pizza. Marco's world famous pizza has 6 ovens. Remember that. Marco's world famous pizza has 6 pizza ovens. Each oven can bake 1 pizza in 12 minutes. How many pizzas can all 6 bake in 3 hours? Let me read that to you again. Marco's world famous pizza has 6 pizza ovens. Each oven can bake 1 pizza in 12 minutes. How many pizzas can all 6 bake in 3 hours? That's a lot of information. So what we know is that it takes 12 minutes to bake 1 pizza. The next thing we got to figure out is, because they want to know, how many pizzas can all 6 ovens bake in 3 hours? First, we have to figure out how many pizzas 1 oven can bake in an hour. So we got to see how many pizzas we can get baked in 60 minutes. So with that, as you see up here, I have it. It's 1 pizza equals to 12 minutes. So we know 1 hour is 60 minutes. So we have to see how many times 12 can go into 60 evenly. So what I did is I drew pizzas. I started drawing pizzas. I said 12 times 1 equals 12. So that's the first 12 minutes for one pizza. 12 times 2 is 24. So we know we can do at least 2 pizzas. 12 times 3 is 36. So now we have 3 pizzas. 12 times 4 is 48. So now we have 4 pizzas. And then 12 times 5, I got 60. And we said there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, we can bake 5 pizzas per oven. So in 3 hours, what I figured out was down here. So now I know the number of pizzas per hour. I got 5 pizzas per oven per hour. So I got my oven numbers up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in each hour, I can do 5 pizzas. So in 3 hours in oven 1, I can do 5, 10, 15 pizzas in 3 hours in oven 1. I got 15 pizzas in oven 2. I have 15 pizzas in oven 3, 15 pizzas in oven 4, 15 pizzas in oven 5, and 15 pizzas in oven 6. Now, we practice skip counting all the time, so we can just skip count through all these numbers and see what we come up with. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. Wow, we came out to a total of 90 pizzas for 6 ovens in 3 hours. That's one way to figure it out. Or we could have we know we get 15 pizzas for 3 hours for one oven. So we could have just taken 6 ovens times 15 pizzas, and that equals 90 as well. So this was step 1 to figure out how many pizzas we can make in 1 hour for one oven. And we figured that out. We said we can do 5 pizzas per hour in one oven. Step 2 was to put your oven down and then figure out. We got 5 per hour. We have 3 hours, so we knew we had 15 pizzas in 3 hours for each oven. And then we just had to multiply. We got 6 ovens times 15 pizzas in 3 hours gave us a total of 90 pizzas. So that was the answer to the word problem for today for Marco's world famous pizza. Remember the question. Marco's world famous pizza has 6 pizza ovens. Each oven can bake 1 pizza in 12 minutes. How many pizzas can all 6 ovens bake in 3 hours? Now we know the answer is 90 pizzas. I want y'all to go back and watch this video and go through the steps and make sure you understand it. If you have any questions, leave me a question in the comments and I'll answer it at the beginning of tomorrow's video. We'll go back over it. We can go back over the same word problem if we need to, but we'll have 2 new word problems tomorrow. And it may still be about Marco's Pizza. We're not done with Marco's just yet. So watch the video, share it with your classmates, show it to your family and your other friends, and y'all be safe. It's raining outside, so you're not really going anywhere today anyway. So you have time to watch the video a couple times. So y'all be safe. It's Mr. Way. I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace.